What we have here is my 2022 Mazda MX-5 RFGT. Platinum quartz with a terracotta interior. I have just finished making a modification from MX-5 Things to one button touch the roof. So let's go ahead and see if this works. Excuse me while I, look, my daughter's Miata. Get in here. Let's close the door so everything's proper. This took about a half hour to install. It wasn't terrible. One touch. Here she comes. Operation complete. Just like that. And again, to open. All the fancy little doodads in there. Down she goes. And I think it was 150 bucks or something like that for MX-5 Things. I'll try to put a link in when I figure out how to do this. But awesome adjustment. I'm buying the window modulator next so I can do it with a key fob.